Yes, let us suppose this is my sailors table. Okay, and this sailors table contains SID, S name, rating and age as the column names. You can see here clearly there are 10 rows totally in this table. So I'm basically trying to extract entire information from the sailors table, right? So that's why we are able to see the entire table here. Okay, so let us suppose I want to extract only those rows of the sailors. Okay, let us suppose I want to extract only sailor names whose rating is greater than 8. Okay, so how can we write a query for this? So let's start writing here. Okay, so we need to select S name, right? So S name from the sailors table. Okay, so the name of the table you can see sailors table. Okay, where, so the column name is what? Rating is the column name, isn't it? Where rating is greater than 8. Okay, now let's run this query and see the result. You can see these are the names of the sailors whose rating is greater than 8. So if you want, I can show you the sailors table completely here. So greater than 8, totally 3 sailors are there. One is Mahan, second one is Lalit, and third one is Dilshan. Okay, so the same output we have obtained, right? So this is how you can make use of this where class and writing the condition in order to acquire the names of the sailors whose rating is greater than 8. Okay.